Huai Tueng Thao is a large, deep reservoir located in Mae Rim District, 15 kilometers north of Chiang Mai. This attraction is the ideal location to spend half a day experiencing all that this area has to offer. It is a park with numerous animal sculptures, set within beautiful surrounding with lush green rice fields. Some of the sculptures, the gigantic King Kong family, made of straw, are large enough to climb up. The King Kong family consists of 3 gorillas, including Father Chow Club on the left, who stretches 8 meters in the sky, his son Rampage in the middle, who is 4 meters tall, and his mother Kwan, far right, who is 6 meters in height. Each King Kong statue has its own ladder inside. Tourists can use these steps to go up on a standpoint where they can get excellent shots of themselves on the King Kong figures, with the large green fields and blue skies in the background.
King Kong.
Ja, der hat auch einen Loki Marsch. Ja. Nee. Ja, schön.
The scenic walk around the reservoir will take you past amazing views of the lake, Buddha statues, lakeside restaurant huts, and the Golden Tower observation deck. There are many waterside restaurants for a tasty bite to eat and get yourself a cool drink. The man-made lake was founded under King Rama IX's initiative to solve water shortage problems in nearby areas. Later, the site was also promoted as a major attraction in Chiang Mai. The reservoir is surrounded by mountains and rural landscapes. The splendor and breathtaking scenery is inescapable. There are also many bamboo huts right along the waterfront for tourists to relax in while taking in the view of the lake. If you come by scooter, make sure to circle around the lake before stopping in one of the many restaurants. It's a very pleasant drive, 4 kilometers, 10 to 15 minutes around Huai Tueng Thao Lake, with many photo opportunities along the way. We recommend you have a good look at the different restaurants before you decide on one. There are a total of 11 restaurants, and some of them are more in the shade, some more in the sun, some are louder and some quieter, some offer mountain view, some don't, and some are near the bathroom. Get a good look around and then pick your choice, the one you like most. The food they serve is mostly traditional Thai food. The staff hardly speaks any English, but most menus come with pictures, so you simply point out the one you like. Prices start from around 50 Thai baht for some rice and vegetables, and go all the way up to 200 baht for fresh grilled fish. The favorite meal here seems to be frog. I guess they just catch them from the lake, as almost every restaurant order them, and telling the difference can sometimes be a tricky thing.